Hello and welcome to the first race of Ramp Racing Series. We have 33 cars all lined up, ready to race, and we'll start with the first two cars, Eric Almirola and Ross Chastain. Looks like Eric Almirola has won by just a smidge mark over Ross Chastain. Eric Almirola will move on to the next round, and Ross Chastain will be eliminated. Now the next two cars are Cole Custer and Alex Bowman. The starting positions have been drawn by random, so don't feel bad if your favorite driver is in the back. We're green. Oh, and Alex Bowman stayed on track while Cole Custer didn't. So Alex Bowman is going to win this group, and Cole Custer will be eliminated. Now it's Kyle Larson and Todd Gilliland. Let's see who's going to take this one. Larson's starting 5th, Gilliland 6th. We're green. Oh, and Gilliland slid. I think Larson beat him by just a bit. But Gilliland put up a good fight, but Larson's going to advance. Now it's Kaz Grala and Chase Briscoe. This is the fourth group. We're underway. Oh, and Grala goes upside down, and Briscoe is going to make it. Briscoe will advance. Grala will be eliminated. Now it's Keselowski and Ryan Blaney. He is going to win this one. And Blaney is going to take this one with a win. Now it's Bubba Wallace and Austin Cindric. We're underway. And Wallace will barely beat Austin Cindric. As you can see, maybe you can see, maybe you cannot, but we have some next gen and some not next gen cars. Now we have Chase Elliott and our one signed up car, NASCAR 2404 will be driving the number 7, and we're underway. And Corey LaJoie will win, and Chase Elliott will be eliminated. Now it's Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Eric Jones. Oh, and they both wreck, but Eric Jones makes it the farthest. So Eric Jones will win that race. Now it's Ty Dillon and Austin Dillon, the two Dillon brothers, that is. Underway. Oh, and Dillon hits the floor so dramatically, and Ty Dillon will be the winner of this one. Now it's AJ Allmendinger and Christopher Bell. And it's going to be Bell who's going to take the win this time. Now it's Garrett Smithley and Michael McDowell. Oh, and McDowell goes completely off the track, which is a disqualification, which means Garrett Smithley is going to win. Now it's William Byron and Kevin Harvick. And Harvick's going to dominate William Byron. Harvick will advance, and Byron will be eliminated. Now it's Daniel Suarez and Martin Truex Jr. And now we're getting to the end of the first group of cars, and Suarez is going to take this one. Truex will be eliminated. Now it's here in this group, Daniel Hemrick. No, my bad, not Daniel Hemrick. Justin Haley and Kyle Busch. And Kyle Busch jumps in front of Haley, and Kyle Busch will beat Justin Haley. Now it's Tyler Reddick and Chris Buescher. And Chris Buescher will hit the floor, but he will still make it all the way, unlike Tyler Reddick. So that will mean that Buescher will advance over Reddick. Now it's Denny Hamlin and Harrison Burton. So whoever wins this one, since we have an uneven amount of cars, whoever wins will verse Joey Logano. We're underway. Oh, and Denny Hamlin slides off the track. Harrison Burton is going to win this one. And he will verse Joey Logano right now. And we're green. And Logano is going to win against Harrison Burton. Logano will make it. Now, here we go into the second round of the tournament. Eric Almirola, Alex Bowman. Close, but Alex Bowman nudges out Eric Almirola for the win. And that was a really, really close call. Alex Bowman just barely by a slid margin has beaten Eric Almirola. Now it's Kyle Larson and Chase Briscoe up next. This ought to be a good one. And it's going to be Larson who is going to beat Briscoe. Now it's Blaney and Wallace. And Bo Wallace did not have a good run there. Still ended up winning. And Blaney will be eliminated. Now here's the 7. See if he can win. And he will unfortunately be eliminated. The 7 of NASCAR 2404 is unfortunately eliminated. Eric Jones will win. And now here is Ty Dillon and Christopher Bell. And Bell doesn't even make it on the track. Ty Dillon will easily take that one. Bell will be eliminated. Now it's Joey Logano. No, it is not. My bad. Now it is Kevin Harvick and Daniel Suarez. Suarez is going to win over Harvick. Now it's Kyle Busch and Chris Buescher. So whoever wins this one versus Logano. And oh my! Buescher had a lead over Kyle Busch, but he will lose it on the exit. That will mean Buescher will be eliminated. And now it's Kyle Busch versus Joey Logano for the final chance for spot. It's Logano pulling out the win again. This time over Kyle Busch instead of Harrison Burton. Now Hendrick teammates Alex Bowman and Kyle Larson. So you can win this one. It's going to be Larson over Alex Bowman. Larson will barely beat Alex Bowman. Now it's Bubba Wallace and Eric Jones. Oh, and Eric Jones beats Bubba Wallace for that win. Now here it is. Ty Dillon and Suarez. Whoever wins will verse Logano. And it's Suarez. So now Suarez will verse Logano. We're underway. And barely by by a nudge, it's going to be Logano over Suarez. And now here's how we will do it. It's going to be Larson, since he qualified the farthest. It'll be Erik Jones and Joey Logano. First to 2 wins, starting now, and Logano has won the first one. And as I was saying, the first to 2 wins will first Larson in the final round. Now we switch lanes, Logano in the first lane, Jones in the second. And both disqualified, we will have to do a redo for the second round. Here we go, we're underway. And it's Jones tying up with Logano. Coming to a closing round here. Erik Jones, Joey Logano, who's gonna win and advance the championship? And they're both almost disqualified, but Logano barely stays on the track. Logano is going to versus Larson in a first to 2 matchup in the finals. And Logano is going to win the first one. Logano, remember, Larson started, I think he started 5th, and Logano started last. And now Larson will even the series at 1. They both need 2 more races to win. And Larson is going to win the second one. Logano needs to beat Larson in this race if he wants to have a chance. He does. All tied up, 2-2, heading into the final race. Who's gonna win it all? Larson, Logano. We're green. And it's Larson is going to win the second race of the season. Oh my, he just won at Auto Club. Kyle Larson will do his victory celebration lap. And Larson is going to win at Auto Club. See you next time.